Hey guys, this is Neil and welcome to our second part of the IAM videos. And so as you can see on the screen, we are in IAM dashboard. So let's just go to the AWS management console. From here you can search a service, or you can directly go in here and type IAM, and it will just pop up. You can select from here. There are lots of other services, and it's better to just star mark it whichever you are accessing. So let's just click on the IAM section. It will take you to the dashboard console. As we have talked about the last videos, there are some certain best practices you can follow. As this is my root account, so the first thing you have to do whenever you open an account, you just activate this multi-factor authentication. Okay, so multi-factor authentication is like whenever you are trying to access this account, so you will set up with a code. So you can use the Google Authenticator app. So whenever you're trying to access this account, there will be a code generated into the Google Authenticator apps. From there you have to provide the OTP while logging it. And some other best practices you can look into this and carry on. And never to use the root account. That's one of the main reason I want to tell you. So let's go to the IAM resources now. So we'll create a new user. I already have one user here. Let's just add a user from this section. You have to provide the username. Let's just call it my dev, and it will be a programmatic access because whenever you are trying to access the services, you can generate an access key and secret key that may in the future you may need it. And AWS management console access, you can give that one. Then auto generated password, yeah, that's fine. There will be a password generated and sent to that user's email. And record password reset. Okay, so whenever a user has logged in the first time into this account, the user has to change the password. This is really necessary. Okay, so that you are forcing the user to change their password. So let's go to the next permission. Okay, in here, as you can see, there is a group. Okay, so this group name is admin group. So my my dev user will be a admin. So that's why I'm giving an admin role in here. You can create a new group from this section and assign that group based on the user. You can assign that group. So maybe it's a developer. I've given the name as a my dev, so it can donate as a developer account. So you can give access based on the. So there are multiple policies. As you can see, there are multiple policies here. Administrator access, which has certain rights, and then other Alexa for business, etc. And Amazon API gateways for other policies you can attach into this group. Generally what happens is, like, you create a policy and you can attach into a group, then then you can attach then you can assign the user into that group. That's how the flow goes. So let's just create admin in here. Then next tags, this is not a mandatory, this is an optional, you can give anything. Then next, for review, in this section you can see the username. I have given my dev, AWS access type programmatically accessed, then auto generated, yes. Permission boundaries is not set. Okay, so the group is admin, and manage policy, I am user change password. That is the policy attached to this. Whenever a user try to access for the first time, it will ask for a new password. Okay, then let's just go ahead and create the user. Okay, that's it. So this is the user has been created, and you can send an email from here. So whenever you click into this, there will be an email sent to your account. And yeah, you can download the CSV and store it in your store it in your local for further use. Generally I have one console. I'll just go inside of this particular URL and sign in using this password and username. Okay, that's how you create a new IAM user and assign role and access to that user. That's it for this video. See you on the next lecture. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe so that it will be like it will motivate us to create more videos like this. Thank you.